sa Gabos. Let's clap our hands para sa Gabos. Yan naman. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Um, for everyone, this is a Bla original. Okay? We're gonna try to sing this song for all of you guys tonight. Hopefully, we'll be able to record this song. A song for all of you guys. I would remember you if heaven closes your eyes. An angel come to carry you beyond tomorrow. I would adhere to every word you've spoken. Forever I will treasure them like a precious stone. Every song we sang together will never disappear. You're the only one I will remember. When the flowers bloom in the morning and the rain starts falling down, I would, whoa, every time I would recall your kiss and hug. Every moment of my life I would remember, I would remember. Still I remember if you would leave the side and angel come to carry you beyond tomorrow. Still I did hear to every word you've spoken until eternity. A carrying aside all the songs we sang together will never disappear, and all the love we shared will be my treasure. When the flowers bloom in spring and the rain is falling down, I would, whoa, every time I would recall your kiss and hug. Every moment of my life I would remember, I would remember. Sweetest eyes and the sounds of your touch, and the beauty of this atmosphere taught me friends so much. I would remember, girl, your voice and praise, the sense of years and ice. I would remember everything, 'cause you know it's my soul's delight. Wow! That's a Black Original. Hopefully, my record me, then we'll put it out somewhere.